BNB, ABNB. Right now we're looking to break through this downtrend, but for now I think we should go, because guess what, we have a doji that's indecision. I think we should be able to. Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Well, if this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel, and today we'll be talking about the market. We'll be talking about what the market is going to be doing for this coming week. Ooh la la. Well, looking at Friday's close, you see that across board we're red, except the energy sector. Energy sector is just pretty green in most cases. So I love that. I love the fact that we're green in that aspect. Mostly Canada is mostly green. We also have Mexico as well. Not so much Japan or China, right? So but anyways, we know that the market did drop on Friday, and we're looking for momentum push come Tuesday, because why? On Monday is Labor Day, so the market will be closed. Anyways, let's get more into details. Let's talk about the stocks, and what I'll be doing, I'm changing things up because I need to figure out my long-term portfolio. I need to add to my long-term portfolio. I need to just rebalance my portfolio. But now these are gonna be long-term stocks, and also small price low flow stocks in the midst. But I'm more of the larger price. I'm more of the long-term for me, rather than all these little $2 $3 stock, right? Now, taking a look at the market, this is what we got. The SPY right now, I'm looking for price to really hold this 390. Okay, if price can hold 390, then we can try to push through 395 and 400. Come Tuesday, sorry, 395 is gonna be the spot. Okay, that is gonna be the spot for a continuation back to retest this $400 spot. Overall, if that 390 doesn't hold, then I expect more back down. You can possibly see 380 as well in the market, so keep an eye out on that as well. We'll also talk about IWM right now. 180 is going to act as a support for now, so keep an eye out on that area. First stock here is going to be SNDL. SNDL now has what I call the inverse head and shoulder. Looking at it right now, this is the left side of the shoulder, this is the right side. So we're trying to maintain this right side of the shoulder, which is a bullish pattern, right? So keep an eye out on SNDL. ROEV as well, right now we're looking good. If price can hold this $6.78, $6.50 spot, if price can really hold this trend, we should be all right to break this downtrend here into 200 moving average. Keep an eye out on that. Also, EHAB. What do we have on EHAB right now? This chart really looks good, looks solid. If we can reclaim 20 exponential moving average, we should be all right to continue to push back into $17 on that name. Also got FAZE as well. FAZE, I made some good money last week, and into this push into $25 per share. Now we're back down to mean. We're back down to this uptrend right here. If price can hold this and continue to hold this, then we should be able to push through back into $30 in the coming days. But overall, keep an eye out. If you fail this trend, then we'll be looking for 20 exponential moving average. BIG at this point also has an inverse head and shoulder. Right now we're looking for price to bounce, really give a solid bounce off that level. If price can bounce, then we'll be looking for 20 and 50 exponential moving average resistance. If that area holds, tight and volume comes in, I'll be looking for over $24, and that we can define, you know, change of direction. NINE, we're looking at price here to support $3. $3 is your support on this beautiful name, WEBR. Right now, I talked about it last week. I said look for more to the upside, and guess what happened? Went up. Got rejected the 200 SMA and back down, and then make another attempt, and only to get flushed back down, right? So looking for price around this area is also a good deal in anticipation for another move to the upside on WEBR. Also, we also have PMVP, looking for price breakthrough $15. That is your area. If the $10 area doesn't hold, which is our support, right, then we'll push back down to 12. But if that area holds, then look for a breakthrough into $15 in the coming days as well. Tesla, what about Tesla? Tesla right now, Tesla, we have this trend. That is where I'm watching. 270 need to hold. If it doesn't hold for any reason, then we'll be looking at 260. But for now, 270 is your support to the upside. Meta as well, Meta platforms, aka Facebook, right now we're pushing back down into that 160. If price doesn't hold 160, we'll look for 155 or 156. If that area holds, then we can reattempt this downtrend line there. Square, what do we have for Square? Square right now, we're looking for a downturn break. That is what you're going to be looking for right now. Support is around 66. If 66 does hold, then I'll be expecting more to the upside. Why? 200 moving average is way far away, and it's about time we do some form of a pop to the upside. Also, RSI is 37%. Netflix has actually given back a whole lot. Looking at past records right now, look at the gap we created. We tried to break through the gap, but we just couldn't break through the gap, and then price pulled back down as the market pulled back down. 225, 226, that is going to act as your support for now on Netflix. In continuation to the upside, we break through 230, then this can really run. PYPL, PayPal, right now PayPal, this is a support zone, which is $91. So $91 is going to be your support. Keep an eye out on that as well. If that one doesn't hold, then look for 90, which also invariably coincide with our 50 exponential moving average. So keep an eye out for support in that area. MAIA, we're looking for the stock to really hold this level, break through $4.50, and then we can get $5 and more to the upside. BGXX as well, we're looking for more to the upside as 20 exponential moving average is holding here, because this is a doji, which means a reversal, and we're on the low side. So I'll be expecting more to the upside in these terms. Also, PXMD, we're looking for price to really hold that $5. If it doesn't, then we'll be coming back down. If we break through $6, then we can go on PXMD. Also, HPCO, I'll be looking for price revisit around the $5 on that. BIAF, I'm looking for price pullback to 650. SI is Silvergate Capital. I'm looking for price back down to the $80 zone. That is what it's doing right now. Only if we reclaim the 50 exponential moving average, we can continue to push up even to $100. But for now, just eye the $80 zone. DKNG, what a view, what a beauty. We did push into $21, $22, only to pull back and couldn't hold the 20 exponential moving average, which actually very coincide with this trend line, right? But then failed as the market looks back. So keep an eye out for the 15 support. Google as well, this is also another long-term play. I'm just been adding and adding and adding to my position. Right now 105 is going to act as our support. If 107 fails, then 105 next. But overall, look at how we've been bouncing off this area in the past. So I may expect same action as well. But also, you take a look at this downtrend that we need to break. Right now, we're consolidating for the move to the upside or to the downside. Apple as well. What a view! What a beauty! 155 is our support. If that 155 holds, then we'll continue to push back to the upside. If it doesn't hold, I'll be expecting more to 150. But let's see how the new product trades out on Apple. Amazon also another long-term hold. Right now we're having support here. 125 is a support. I think this is holding right now because we've got that confirmation, which is higher than this candle there. So keep an eye out on that as well. CYN, this is about time for a coil to the upside. What do I mean a coil? I want a coil to the upside, so keep an eye out on that name. Also, we're gonna talk about Palantir. These are small price as well. From big price to small price, right? Right now we're looking for price to hold $7.40, which our support is $7. If it does come, then look for grabbing some around that area for the bounce of the upside. Downtrend is another thing to break. You break 750, then $8 can come in and we can continue to push to the upside. Fubu as well. Fubu really did good. We pop into over $8 all of a sudden back down to the downside. Now we have support right now at $3.35. $3.30 is going to act as our support, so keep an eye out on that as well. Also, same thing with Clove Health as well, $2.41. This area is a support. If it doesn't hold, then I'll be expecting more to the downside into 220 or 210. ABNB. Right now we're looking to break through this downtrend, but for now I think we should go, because guess what, we have a doji that's indecision. I think we should be able to push through right into 115, 120. That is the best bet on that name. NVDA as well. NVDA is another name. Right now we are on support, so keep an eye out as well. We also have Zoom Oil and Gas. Right now, see how we're bouncing off this support. This is our uptrend support. We're bouncing up and we held the 20 exponential moving average. I'll be expecting more to the upside as the oil and gas begin to settle. DIS, what have you? 111. 110 is going to act as our support, guys. If price can push into 113, 114, then we can continue to push to the upside. HD, what have you? This is Home Depot. Right now we're finding support around 290, so keep an eye out on that name. CUEN, I'm looking for price to break through 90 cents, so we should be all right there. Also taking a look at APRN, I called this long time ago, around the $3 zone for a pick, and then we sold some. And guess what? Right now we're fighting the 200 moving average, which is also a good spot. Microsoft, this is a long term. Right now the support is 255. That is the support. If it doesn't hold, I'll be expecting back down into this next support, which is 250. But overall, I think the market should be able to push back to the upside. RSI has been really fading. Walmart, I'm looking for Walmart to really clean break through the 200 moving average. We can break through this 200 moving average, then we should be all right. We fill this gap and then everybody call it good. But for now, look for this support as our uptrend support for now. Downtrend breaks, then we'll get into 200 moving average as well. We're talking about Boeing. Boeing right now, Boeing is pulling lower right back into 150. If 150 doesn't hold, I'll be looking for more to the downside. But if it does hold, then I'll be expecting a reattempt of our 50 exponential moving average, so keep an eye on that name. AMD as well is inverse head and shoulder pattern. If you take a look at it well, you will see this is inverse head and shoulder. This is left side and this is the right side. So support around $80. That's going to be our support. Also, let's talk about FRZA. We're coiling right now on this name. If price can really coil out of here, then we can attain $5 and $6 respectively. So keep an eye out on that name, FRGE. We're looking for what we call the BB play. The BB play is what we call the bottom bounce play. So bottom bounce play right now, bottoming right now, volume is coming in, RSI is looking up, MACD is also pointing up. So you know, I'm looking for price to really ascend to the upside. We got resistance right here, right there, right here, and even to more around the 200 moving average. The remaining chart, I'm gonna post them up on my Twitter and on my stock tweet account. Just keep an eye out on those other stocks as well. I will analyze them large and small all together. Thank you guys for your time. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this content. I also love a feedback as well. You can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Thank you guys. Have a fantastic Labor Day. Have a fantastic long weekend, guys. Peace and love.